Okay, backtesting 2 weeks of data. Didn't do backtesting last week, so we'll do both of them today. For this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, there's news, FOMC minutes. So it looks like nothing important besides FOMC, but that's just recapping last FOMC. That's there's no volume. Basically 8:30 news. Oh, okay. Okay, so going into today, respecting this 4-hour. Okay, we did sweep that low. Let's see, still more bearish, respecting the 4-hour and running through. So equal highs right there. Respecting that 4-hour, respecting this hourly, running through this bearish gap. I'm bearish till this low. And do we have draws past that? Internal wall that's swept. You have this hourly gap right here. It's untapped. So I can use it as another draw. So bearish going to today. Here's what we're going to do this internal high inside this gap. Maybe I should close this one. And no news Monday, I think. Yeah. News only Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and this thing Friday. Okay. Yeah, bearish going to today. Let's see. Market opens there. Yeah, ideally I want to see if okay, to tap into that 15-minute. So internal high, do this 5-minute here. And we are creating this 5-minute down here as well. So potential MAC aligned with higher time frame. Okay, tap into that. 5-minute is created now. Ready to resweep. Side of that gap. So 3-minute inversion with this 5-minute right below. So it'll be instant break even. Came up manipulating to this 15-minute, 5-minute overall bearish. I'm gonna take this. And market. There we go. Okay, well that should have been break even. Can we go back below? Yeah, that should have been break even. Because it's unless you can play 30-second, I don't think you can. Yeah, no. I'm gonna just it has to be break even because real time, like we would tap this first, and then while price is here, you go break even. So I'm gonna see that's break even. Let's see. Yes, finally tapped the 15-minute. We tap this upper internal high. Still respecting the 15-minute. Do a 3-minute. Okay, now we're inside of hourly. Observe 5-minute continuation. because this 2 minute would have closed all the way up here, took the internal high. So it's of a 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute. 10 a.m. also did open, be manipulated higher. Still bearish on a higher time frame. Just look at this order flow. Don't want to fade it. We're 5-minute condition to get made. Okay. Now, question is, do we have anything above that we can manipulate it into? We have all this resting buy side right here. Is it equal highs? Because if it is, okay. Do we have equal highs above? That's when we may draw. Overall, we're still disrespecting these 15 minutes. Yeah, disrespect through all of them. So I'm gonna be bullish. Can't take that. I need a manipulation or stop hunt. Okay, draw was taken. Yeah, no trades there. Just gonna wait. It's already 10:45. Okay, draws are all taken. It's gonna be one break even today. Yeah, get that journaled. Okay. Next day. So much LR above too, but if we don't want to take it, we don't gotta take it. And we had 8:30 news today as well. Honestly, I'm neutral going to today. I just wanted to see what price of respect and disrespect and get biased. Don't say anything I like, really, because we're not reacting off anything on the hourly. Like we inverse this gap, displacing lower, have LR above below. So we start displacing towards Asia or previously low. I will look for shorts. Start displacing higher, look for longs. Right now we are inside the 4-hour gap. We did take this internal 1 hour low. ES has so much LR below too, it's crazy. And we tap this hourly internal. Okay. So potentially you might just wait for 10 a.m. to get a 4-hour mech. And like, look, we inverse. No, we're still respecting that. We might close below this. 15 minute. Tap into this 15 minute buff. SMT. These highs. Side of a higher time frame gap. Honestly, I do still want to see ES pump up and market open, manipulate higher. This 15 minute gap below. Let's see. Okay, tap the bottom. Gonna wait. Want to see ES. do have SMT. Still holding it. Gonna wait. Don't see anything I like right now. And this is high resistance low too, so swap is low. You're inside a gap, I know that. Like higher time for West, there's a gap, yeah. So ideally longs aren't needed, but or sorry, shorts aren't needed. Give me for see what the 15-minute does. It's respecting the 15-minute, okay. Just respecting this. Was there a 5-minute mech that I just skipped over? No, there wasn't. Okay. Basically just seeing what displaces where, right? Just gonna wait. Start clearly displacing lower. So this is the next draw, most obvious draw. 10 a.m. open, lower. And we clear this up. Do anything clear on that hourly? Yes, we do. Do we have this 4 hour above? Respected the hourly right here. It's small, but still did get respected. Displacing lower, clearly disrespected. Draws clearly lower. My draws would probably be that, and then this 15-minute gap below. So those are my draws. So you do get a 5-minute. Okay, well, you know, just take everything, right? Okay, next draw. Depending on the hourly. 15 minutes. Okay, honestly, don't mind a mech here. Except that this sort of previously low. Honestly, this would probably be the lowest on Seco. Look for a mech in the opposing direction. 5-minute up here. 10 open lower. Let's see here, resweep. Okay, resweep. Okay, so now we're holding this 15-minute. We put in another 15-minute up here. Actually, ES is displacing towards this low though. What's that? We do have SMT with these lows. And previously low. Okay. Just gonna wait. Ideally, I still want longs, respecting that 15-minute. Was there a 3-minute? No, there wasn't. We are super bearish though. I'm gonna fade this, honestly. They can work, yeah, but just because of how bearish we are. But did ES take the low actually? Okay, ES took the low. No, I'm gonna take this. Never mind. I thought ES would still go lower. Stop here. Target here. Targeting this 15-minute. Break even is gonna be at this internal high. Okay, that's break even. And probably bang. Perfect. Yo, honestly, it would have got break even. I can't lie. It probably would have been break even, honestly. Was there a better place to go break even now? That was such a clean mech too. Just looking, see if it would have been break even. Because normally, if you did something like this and you do enter, sure you can get slipped up, but look how bearish this candle is. Like, would I have gone like filled like somewhere here and still, you know, I'm gonna retake it. I'll just count as break even. So whatever. It's back testing, right? There you go. Okay, that's me break even trade. Such a clean setup too, but this would have been something to look into. Unfortunate. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, I still would have counted. I still would have been break even realistically. It's honestly just depending on feel. Cause like really tap this. Like let's say you got filled here, you know. Just whatever. Road, I'll break even. And Wednesday, FOMC meeting minutes. Still bearish. Expecting bearish, displacing lower, past this low. We do that for bullish. We draw towards this high. We draw towards this hourly gap. For bullish. Now for bearish, I already have my draws marked. Does 15-minute above. Gonna wait. Okay, did sweep that low. Gonna wait for a 5-minute condition or 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minute got tapped. There's SMT at the highest. Still clear draws lower. Honestly, literally just left like relatively positive that hourly gap, which sucks. But we do respect that 15-minute as well. New 15 in 7 minutes. Okay, now is this clear to take? Do we have manipulation? So we took this high. Respecting this 15-minute. Clear draws lower. Not anything yet. Don't see. No, I'm not gonna take this just because the 15-minute isn't made yet. So there'd be like no clear draw to take. 10 a.m. opens lower. Yes, tap into the 15-minute gap. Early 4-hour. Let's see. If you get a tap into the 15, okay. Good. Inside of a 15-minute right now. If we do start displacing higher, I honestly do expect S&P to get ran and take out its relatively highs and tap into the hourly gap. between 2 to 50 minutes right now, though. Does have manipulation internally. Okay, internal high was swept though. This is a more discretionary trade. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna take this. Okay, bang. Draw was to hit. Do I have this unfilled 50-minute above? See if I get something. Nope. Tap the no unfold gaps either. Okay, let's just rip. 5-minute condition. Okay, tap the 5-minute. Where's your next draw? Respecting the hourly, respecting the 50-minute. Have this internal low, but is it really like valid? You know. ES has generated just low resistance above 2. Ooh, this is gonna be. I don't use a 30-minute. There is a 30-minute. ES probably looks like it's drawing to lower. Okay, ES. I didn't even notice that. 5-minute. Respecting a 5-minute. ES is just chopping, bro. Like, we have that and we have that. But I'm gonna wait. Sorry, 1050. Okay. No trades. If there was a trade, like I said, this was more discretionary because we did take that internal low or the internal high right here. So yeah, and your target would have probably been a 1-to-1 right there. That would have been your trade. It's fine. Yeah, that's fine. No trades today. And Thursday, we have 8:30 news today as well. Clear draw below. Displacing lower, clearly. Did ES already take that? ES already got. No, ES is at a completely different location. Daily 4-hour. We're inside the 4-hour gap. Honestly, continuation shorts could be valid. Do anything else? We do have this internal high inside about 1 hour. Disrespected this hourly, so also generating LR below. Have this 15-minute unfilled above. Now for draw, so draw is higher, it's 15-minute gap. Anywhere we can reject from your, we didn't press that. I wouldn't look for longs with all this LR below, ideally, in my opinion. Do those 15-minute below as well. I'm just gonna wait for market open to see what it does. Do data actually? Ooh, okay. Data lows. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, data lows were swept. Or redrawing tools. Looks like we might take the LR. Respected that 15-minute. Display slower. Wait for 5-minute condition. Just that we have so much LR below. Like, ideally, I want to short, but I also don't want to get, caught up like an internal sweep or whatever you want to call it. London still intact, just LR. So I'm gonna see. Ooh, hold on. I didn't notice that. Okay, so the internal low that I'd marked out, we're inside of this 15-minute gap. So if you're looking for the longs or a mech, this is where you want to take it. I just wanted to see if that 15-minute was created or the 5-minute before we closed. Because if it wasn't, that mech is valid. Okay, that's valid. Yeah, that's valid. So I'm just gonna go there for a 1-to-1. No, I need enter, but that, okay, well, that would have been break even either way. I'm not gonna enter regardless. No tab into the 5-minute? That's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this low get swept. London K. Now that London's taken, do we get some mech model? You do have S&T London with what, LR? That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Open. Okay, let's refresh. Wow, what the Ooh, I want that sweep. If ES on AC ES drive lower, so I want to look for shorts. I'm gonna look for shorts. Long as only until after ES takes that. But we did just put an SMT as well. So put this internal low inside the hourly gap as well. Ooh. Yo, so low key. Son. I'm not taking that, bro. I'm good. A-okay. No tab to 15 is crazy. And take it. No. If you left equal, I swear to God. Please, son. Oh, fuck you, son. Okay, well, now it does take Asia. SM2 of these lows. ES still hasn't traded towards those lows. ES is just chopping. Have so much LR above. We're not in no gaps either. Okay, I don't think to the left significant. I'm just gonna wait. Honestly, I'm gonna wait. Okay, ES finally took London. Potential continuation at the end of market open. God damn. And of course, wow. This fucking PA is actually pissing me off. And yeah, no trades today. Was there anything could have taken though? Like I did say, there was not short. See, okay, the only trade I would have taken would have been that break-even trade, which would have been this one. Had internal manipulation right here. Clear V shape after you tap to the 15-minute. Yeah, so we put the internal low. Have a clear 15-minute or 15-minute. There, really just edged it. And I was looking for what, 1-to-1? I have a mark somewhere. I don't know, it was like here. I just hope it was here. Yeah, so I was looking for this. We didn't deliver. That's crazy. And it wouldn't break into the external high. Okay, yeah, that would have been Gucci break even. I'm gonna just journal it though, so I can get the data on it. As in, I'll take it, but. Okay, 1%. Okay, bang, break even, bang, okay. 15 minutes, whatever. For those equalize as well. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That's so crazy to me. The setup is crazy. Like, bro, how do we not? Okay, and Friday for this week. Oh shit, I skipped past Friday. I think I double skipped. Whoopsies, whoopsies, whoopsies. No, I'm not looking, I'm not looking, I'm not looking, I'm not looking. Okay, good. Still super bearish on the higher time frame. Yes, daily gap below. Okay, I'm bearish. Bearish is going today. Order flow is overall super bearish, and there's no reason to fade it, right? This internal high. I guess I'll probably just take on market open. We'll start crying, bro. Like, I'm gonna be so sad. I'm gonna cry, bro. Like, there's no way. Is that a gap? That is a gap. It's super tiny though, but the gap's a gap. Let's go. Let's see. Watch this be the biggest Drake candle downwards ever. Please tap. Please go. Please go. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's fine. No, NQ, please, bro. NQ, I can't short that because like I can expect manipulation to the high. It's like, bro, NQ, don't do that. Please, NQ, NQ, NQ. Just dab it. There we go. Inside of hourly. It's at 15 minutes while we do this premium 15 minute. Yes, is in that same 15 minute as well. Generating low resistance all below. Do we tap the 15 minute? Okay, tap the 15 minute. So now, okay, hold on. 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute. This candle. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on, hold on. Okay, 1 hour tapped. 15 minute premium tapped. Manipulation. Clear LR below. Yo, 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 yo. This is so like, oh Yo, honestly, I'm gonna wait for this recap. Do something like that. But if we melt through, right? Just don't trigger me and just don't trigger me. Are you kidding me? Son, we're not serious. Would I actually get a 1-to-1 now? That's the question. We would have gotten a 1-to-1. Fuck. No, the question is, would I have taken this in real life, like during live PA? Because that's your CASD as well. No, I'm not recreating playing price, bro. I wouldn't have. I would have waited for a retrace. Something like that. Stop above there, targeting that. So, nope, nothing. 10 a.m. opened. Do a 4-hour. All up there. Hourly. This is an internal high. Bro, still bearish. Ooh. Sun. Okay, son. Tap that 5-minute continuation. Son, like, what the fuck is this? We're not serious, bro. I'm just gonna wait. TS low-key pissing me off. Just chopping, bro. Yeah. No trades. I'm so sad, bro. Like, come on. You could have at least just, like, closed, like, even if you just, like, closed, like, right there. Like, if you just closed right there, I would have been in, bro. Like, if you just closed, like, right there, I would have been stop here. Target all this LR. Bro, come on. You're not serious. Yeah, whatever. So no trades Friday as well. Okay, now next week we'll start that one. Maybe just got the date down for this journal. Okay, now this week what do we have? So nothing Monday, nothing Tuesday. We have 10 a.m. news Wednesday and Friday. House week's at 10:05. That's weird. Okay, well, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Overall, going to today, I'm still bearish just because of how bearish order flow's been. Right, Monday, Tuesday, no news, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, bearish going to today. We're inside this daily gap. Have generated a low resistance or like relative equals below. Yes, it's with the new week opening gap. And Q, like the main sell side objective or daily gap is here. So now if we do start displacing higher, my next draw would be this 4-hour internal high or this 4-hour gap. This internal low right here. We have 4 hour above. We do have we're instead of a 1 hour as well as this 4 hour. Um, honestly, I'm more neutral right now, just like lower time frame wise, because we're inside this hourly and we're inside this hourly, right? So like we're between two gaps. So possible, and it's Monday, no news. Oh, possibly choppy PA. So I'm just gonna wait. Let me delete that. Yeah, I don't want to force anything. This just like I don't know where we are like relative to the draw. Don't really like where we are. But nonetheless, we'll see. Okay, ripped up higher. 5 minute gap, nothing. Okay, we're clearly drawing towards the 4 hours. Let's see if we can find it continue. Nope. 4 hour. That was 15 minutes above. Another eternal 15-minute, no wick. Let's see. Okay, you know price. Just tap it. I don't want to get in the move, right? No wick right here. 15-minute potential mech shorts. So inside of a new 4 hour, we're expecting bullish right now. So we're inside of a 15-minute, inside of a 4 hour. Do have a 15-minute above as well. So I'll just see what we get, what price does. Okay, we did create this 5-minute gap. Okay, retraced into the 5-minute, 15 minutes. Not bringing up. Okay. Don't like that. Chop up. We're clearly drawing towards a higher 15-minute. So there's no trades unless we get a 5-minute condition. Yeah. Okay, so that's taken. What's past this? Next draw is this high internal. Honestly, longs might still be probable because I can expect ES to trade into this 4 hour. So I'm just gonna wait. 10 a.m. opens right here. Okay, so 5-minute below. 15-minute, 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute gap. Okay, so tap into the 15-minute. We inverse the 4 hour now. Okay, so that's what we're gonna look. If we inverse the 4 hour, next draw is this on the higher time frame. Yeah, so next draw is this high, a higher time frame. It is internal high as well. Body's closed in respect to that gap. However, my main target right now is this high. For ES, it's a 4 hour. So if ES wants to go to 4 hour, I expect this high to get hit on NQ. Both assets sink. We have this unfilled 4 hour below. Okay, so we do have a slower 15-minute. We are inside this 15-minute. So I'm gonna wait till what price does. See if we can get a reaction from this or the other gap. We'll also need to watch ES because ES can easily. ES does have a 4 hour right here too, so I'm gonna wait. See what price does. No clear stop point, no protected low. Okay, now ES did take this internal, like that 5-minute internal low. And we are respecting the 5-minute. In my opinion, you have to wait for the 5-minute. I'm just gonna wait, yeah. Okay. And ES took that low. I think you tap the lower 15-minute. Lower 5-minute as well. ES tapped the 4 hour gap. Potential mech right here. 10 a.m. open lower. Let's see. 5-minute is created. There you go. Gang, I'm not taking that. Like, what the fuck is this? Like, yo, Loki, double delivery. No, I can't lie. Son. TS making me mad, though. Respected. 5-minute. Tap the premium 5-minute. Need some sort of stop hunt. Ooh, okay. Sun. Oh, okay. So tap this 15-minute. Hold on. Had this internal manipulation. We got this displacement candle. Left equal lows. Generate low resistance. ES has like goddamn like I'm gonna take this. I don't mind this. What's the odds? It just comes bump and rips me. It's already 10:49 though. Yeah, I'll go 0.5 first. Okay, bang. And then on C and Q follow lower. Take all the lower color. Gang, we're not serious. Yo, W me. You're so close to breaking even too. Wait, I don't even know if we hit. Hold on, I'm gonna replay that because I don't even know if I hit that. Give me a sec. Still same risk. I just want to see if I actually did it or if I just skip past it. Bang. Break even. Oh, 2R. That's motion. Big motion. Big ups. That was such a clean setup too. That was super clean. Oh my god. What's this, Monday too? That's crazy. Overall, it was low risk today too, just because of what time it was. It was already 10:49. I would have went full risk, but since time slows or price slows down, went low risk, and it worked. So I'm happy with that. Do we have an SMT internally as well? If we did, I swear to God. Let's go. Trade lines with higher time frame. Yes. Stop was at a protected high. There was displacement. There was manipulation. Strategy was continuation. Highest time frame 1 minute. Minimum. Yes. Tuesday. Okay, Brents have a bearish gap on ES. Doesn't mean we can't take longs. We are displacing higher. No news today. What do we have tomorrow? Okay, PMI, it's whatever. My next draw is this high for Q, since ES did just tap his internal 4-hour. We do still have equal highs here, so I'm still look for longs. For shorts, he does filled 4-hour, and we do have this internal though. Okay. Just gonna wait. Don't really love this PA. Yeah. Just cause like there's no clear draw, so they're like, oh my god, take this. Look at this one too, this internal high. 4-hour will be created at 10 a.m. Just an hourly gap. I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, I'm not trying to force anything. Just mostly because I have no idea what we're doing. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. Okay. Okay, tap the hourly. It's 15 minutes all the way here though. Okay, swap that. Let's see if we're gonna tap the 15-minute. I expect this lower hourly to get tapped. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Create the new 5-minute here. Okay, tap the 5-minute. We're clearly rejecting this hourly. I might wait for 10 a.m. honestly. I might wait for 10 a.m. Yeah, even if I was looking for short screen, nothing clear there. No stop point. There was a stop point, probably 30 second, but don't have conviction for lower until I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 10 a.m. Open higher. Thank you. I know. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. NQ or ESY. Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that? Have this 4 hour below. But we do have this 15-minute above. Okay, so it'll probably be 4 hours to 15-minute, 15-minute tap, and I'd look for shorts of 4 hour. One or the other. Let's see what happens. But we are inside this 5 minutes, so if I get a clear stop point with like a fake rejection, I'll take it. Nothing clear, no clear stop point. I can take that. Okay, took that, and we're clearly displacing higher. So I expect the 15 minutes my new draw. I'll wait. Just take it. We left equalizer. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Going for 5-minute condition. Okay, tap the 4 hour. Tap the lower time frame gaps. Have LR right here. That's crazy. Did we actually not tap it? We didn't. Wow. Gotta wait. Okay, hold on, hold on. I don't like that. How long I took to inverse that. I'm not gonna take it, honestly. Okay. It's already 11:05. No trades today. Yeah. Just chopped for like, what time was this? God damn. Yo, click. Oh my god. We chopped for 41 minutes. Yeah. No, I'm good. Well, I mean, you do have a clear draw. Probably will take it. haven't his. If you don't, I'm surprised. Okay, I'm surprised. It's probably a good draw for tomorrow. Wednesday. PMI for 9:45. Okay. Overall, going to today, we do have daily for value cap below. So if I'm bearish, that's my draw liquidity. If I'm bullish, it's the swing high. This one is high resistance though, because we just manipulate this. Time to ES, versus gap. So I'm neutral, and I'll see what price does because we are inside this range as well. So ideally short. I'm neutral leading bearish. That's what I am. Equal lows to, yeah. I don't see shorts. Okay, now we still inside the 15-minute. Tap the upper 15-minute. Okay, we're clearly displacing higher. Next row would be this internal high. It's a gap on the higher time frame. No, it's internal high. Okay. Refinement condition. Okay. Okay, well, yes, we know it's clearly drawing towards this high. Sorry, NQ is ES is no clue, bro. ES is lucky tripping balls, but we're not. We're nice in this space, bro. You can't say that. Potential neck here. I just had an hourly gap. Do anything with 15-minute? No, we have this 15-minute. Okay, I'm gonna wait. See if I can get a 5-minute. 10 AM just opened as well. Gang, we're not serious, bro. Really skimmed that. Okay, no gaps either. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute condition. Yeah, literally just displacing higher, and it's 10 AM. Okay, that's 11. Draw was there. There's just no retrading. Didn't see this. Okay, that would have been no entry either yet. Yeah, so no trades today either. Let's see. Thursday, unemployment claims. 8:30 and tomorrow's 10 AM. Okay. So going into today, we literally inversed all those gaps. Next row is that. See, next row is this. Right. Yes, it's this. Yep. No, yes, there's this forward gap. They can see us get traded into. NQ ran through all the gaps. Yeah, so NQ's biases there. For bear straws, it'll be this discounted 4 hour. And We did this 4 hour, but we also have a 4 hour below, so we'll see. Currently, we are being bearish, so I'm assuming and anticipating that this is the drug because we're disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish, or sorry, disrespecting bullish, respecting bearish. So I'm bearish going into the day right now until this drug gets hit, and we get revise from there, from there, from there. Bro, why do you do this, bro? Like, son, we're not serious. Oh shoot, was that the? No, but I mean, even if it did, bro, even if it was a 5 minute, I still would have like not taken anything. Because we're just placing lower, like we have no reason to look for a long symbol here. But now that we do have, oh, we also do have, I think it was 8:30 news today. Was 8:30 or yeah, 8:30 today. But sun. I don't like that. No, wait. Resweep. Yeah, clean version. Come on. We have relative goals here. And that's what I think that's 4 hour unfilled. Yes, where did we go to? We have this 5-minute, even though this is really discount. But it just looks so clean though. Like, I'm not gonna take this. I want something like. No, I'm not taking this. Sure, it can work. I'm not taking that though. Bro, why? Why do you do this to me? Gonna wait. Potential. Yeah, no, that's internal high. Where's your next straw lower? This hourly. Yo, I can't with the PA, bro. If I mark this, price is gonna see it on my screen and it's gonna go watch. Because I told you. Yo, we're not serious, bro. We're actually not serious. Yeah, bro. GG's, bro. I'm not taking shit in this. Sure, the only one I could have seen was this. I just didn't like this manipulation. Sure, we did take out internal high, but was it really internal high? We tapped a 15-minute, got instant displacement. Yeah, I would have honestly wanted to see something come lower, but that's just how we do. No trades today. Yeah. God damn though. Secondary gap. We do have 10 a.m. news today. As far gap here. We are reacting up this internal low, which is this internal low as well. Inside of a 4 hour gap, inside of an hourly, do I have this 4 hour and this unfilled hourly above? These equal highs. Yep. So ideally I can see higher manipulation, tap internal. I I anticipate that this is protected high resistance, so I'm looking for longs right now. I don't care about the hourly because like where we are instead of a daily instead of 4 hour. Yeah. So internal. Let's see. If we do start coming lower, I want to see this 15-minute or this internal get hit. Gonna wait. Just chop. That's 10 AM news. Okay, perfect. Refill. But ES did take it though. ES did tap that 4 hour though. Does ES have a reason to go higher still? We do this hourly. That we, if we start trading towards, I can look for longs for ES. Perfect. And Q at least up to the 4 hour. We do have data highs above as well. No, we don't. What? What's this wick? Oh, 10:05. This one. It's 10:11. Okay, now if this is valid, what makes it valid? Let's see. So we have clear draws 4 hour. ES did tap it. However, we did inverse that hourly gap right here. And inverse this 4 hour here. So minimum I required, I want to see that tapped. I did put an SMT with a slow inside of a 15-minute gap as well. Respecting this 15-minute. Let's see, where's 10 AM open? Open higher or low, but we're still respecting the 15-minute. We did tap the discounted 5-minute. SMT. We do have this manipulation, but we took out all this LR manipulation below. Clear 4 hour drop off. I'm gonna take this. Wait, is there 3-minute? Oh, there's a 2-minute. Okay. I'm gonna take this. Clear displacement higher. I really like this. Stop's gonna be there. My target's gonna be this. Okay, so that's break even, and bang, fire, super clean, super clean. That's Friday. That's the last trade to end off the week. Reason for trade 4 hour got inverse. I anticipate this 4 hour get hit. Came down, tap the 15-minute gap, put an SMT with this internal 15-minute. Had already this manipulation lag with this LR. Put an SMT, so that's another manipulation lag. 2-minute instant version. Fire. I really like that. Okay. Peace.